Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up email forwarding in Gmail, or better still, how to forward or auto forward emails in Gmails. How to auto forward emails in Gmails. Now how do we do this? The first thing you need to do is access your Gmail settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner and then click on see all settings. So from here you can see forwarding and pop/email. So click on it, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add a forwarding address by clicking on add a forwarding address in the forwarding section. So after adding a forwarding address, you enter the email address you want to forward messages to and click on next. Yes. After when you're through with that, the next thing you're going to do is to verify forwarding address. By clicking on next, you'll be asked to verify the forwarding address. You verify by putting it in again, and then you open the verification email and click the provided link, and then you choose the forwarding option. Now you choose the forwarding option, select what to do with your Gmail's copy of forwarded image messages. You can decide to choose the option for keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, or you can choose the option for archive Gmail's copy. I didn't put the forwarding address, that is why these messages are not showing up here. You put the legitimate forwarding address either. So you can also decide to keep it in the inbox. You have the option for keeping the inbox, you have the option for archiving it, or for deleting it in Gmail. For section everything, now click on save changes at the bottom of the page. So when you do everything, then you come here, click on saved pages, and that's it. That is all it takes to successfully set up email forwarding in Gmail. You've successfully set it up, or better still, you've been able to set up auto forward emails in Gmail. Now, note something: so you can only forward messages for a single Gmail address, not an email group or alias or alias. You can stop forwarding emails. If you want to stop forwarding emails, just go back to the same settings and then click disable forwarding. So right now, we didn't forward anything. We have an option for disable forwarding here, and we'll click on it. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.